Let's introduce the Rich-ZhYao's deep coating line to you. Our deep coating process involves 5 key stages: pre-treatment, high-temperature preheating, deep coating, curing, and conveyor system. Key advantages of our deep coating line: uniform coating and strong adhesion. Compared to the powder coating and spring spinning, the deep coating process ensures a more consistent coating, avoiding common issues like uneven coating or pin dropping. The deep coating process minimizes the powder waste that leads to more efficient material usage and low production cost. Environmental friendly. Unlike traditional mice that use solvents, the deep coating process eliminated VOC emissions, making more environmental friendly options. Simplified process and high efficiency. Simple process stages, lower equipment required, and the production is fully automatic. That is significant reduce the manual effort and improving the efficiency. Eco-friendly heating system. Our deep coating line uses clean energy heating system to reduce the energy consumption and emissions. That helps you easily meet environmental regulation and support sustainable production. With 30 years of experience, Rich-ZhYao specializes in equipment development, manufacturing, and installation. We provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. We have delivered over 2,600 successful projects across more than 60 countries. If you are looking for a high-performance, eco-friendly deep coating line, feel free to contact us. Rich-ZhYao is here to offer you a one-step solutions.
Rich-ZhYao, together we color the world.